Hello, this is how to download an Instagram video without any external apps or plugins or anything like that. First off, you'll need to find a video to download. I'm just going to take the most recent video by Matheus Assato, so I quite like his playing. What you want to do is, once you've opened it up in a browser, right click and inspect, or it might say inspect element in your browser, and that will open up the HTML viewer. And HTML is just what renders the page that you're on. That will open up this div here, this one that's selected. You want to go to the one that has the height 100%, position, absolute, all that. If you open that up, it'll have a couple of nested divs, and inside there, this is what we want. We want the video tag. Video has a few things like plays inline. It has a poster, which kind of renders the picture. What we're interested in is the source, src. So if you double click on that, you'll be able to edit it. You can just copy that directly with Control-C or Command-C or whatever. Open a new tab, paste it in there. And then from here, you can right click and save video as, and that will save it as an MP4.